This kind of workout is one of the only kinds that is proven to create a positive hormonal response, especially for ladies over 40. Hello gorgeous girl, and welcome back to my channel, and this is an amazing Tabata style workout. Tabata workouts have been proven to produce a positive hormonal response, specifically for women over 40, which means it's not going to jack up your cortisol and stress you out so much that it actually is doing possibly more harm than good, like so many other kinds of workouts. So if that sounds appealing to you, this is for you. The other thing that I love about Tabata style workouts, all of my ladies inside of TBT tell me these are some of their favorite kinds of workouts because they go by so fast, because you're doing 20 seconds of some intense work and then you have a 10-second rest. Now that intense work doesn't have to be high impact. It's actually oftentimes low impact, but it's just that you're giving it your all. So that really produces the most bang for your buck for your workout. So grab a pair of sneakers for this workout. You're gonna absolutely love it. Your hormones are gonna be thanking you and you're gonna just feel so good. And make sure to see me on the other side.
Just start into a little jog here. We're gonna get started into your jump rope here, okay? Ready? Here we go. Jump rope here. You can do doubles, singles, whatever you want, but please give it your all. Why? Because this is a Tabata workout. It's just 20 seconds with that 10-second rest, remember? Okay, so each exercise, we're gonna do it 2 times. Good, breathing here. Good, quick little rest, 10 seconds. I mean, how fast does that 20 seconds go, right? It's like before you even know it, it's time to rest. Don't ever come to that dead stop. Please don't do that. Here we go. Woo! Breathing here. Give it all you got here. 20 seconds. Maybe pick up your pace here. Good. Shoulders down your back. Chest is lifted. Good. Awesome. We're doing so great together. Sweating and smiling. Good. All right, next up, we're gonna go into your butt kickers, okay? So kick that booty. As soon as the foot touches down, you lift it right back up. Let's do it. Woo. Really think of all of these as like sprints. Good. Have that target in mind. What are you working towards? Why are you doing this? What's your why? What's motivating you to keep on going, to be your healthiest, to be your fittest, to be your strongest? I know what mine is. Hope you've got yours too. My mic pack is making my pants fall down, so I'm gonna futz with them a little bit. Good, let's go. Woo. Yes, yes, let's do it, do it. Breathing here. Keep the chest open. Those lungs are open. Good. All right, all right. Breathing. Good. 10-second rest. Okay, next up, our squat jack, okay? So we're gonna just touch the ground, come on up. You can touch the ground, your knees, your thighs, whatever feels good for you, okay? Good. Nice and low, keep the belly pulled in. Keep your chest and your face to me, please. Why does that matter? I don't want you to hurt your back. I don't want you to hurt your neck. And I want you to keep good form. Good, 10-second break. This isn't so bad, right? But how fast did that heart rate go up? Mine is like, boom, right away. Okay, are you ready? Let's do it. Good. We got it. Good. Feeling those legs. Starting to feel hot, right? Starting to burn. Good, last one. Okay, good. Quick 10-second break. If you've got water, great time to take a little splash, a little sippy sip. I'm gonna move into speed skaters. Let's go. Okay, the chest is up, shoulders are down your back. You are moving that body laterally, side to side. This is so important for functionality, right? We don't just move front and back in life. We gotta have all angles working here, right? Good, breathe. Whew. That's fun, right? Good, couple seconds here. Whew. Use these 10 seconds to catch your breath. You're the boss, right? You can control how fast you go, right? How you're breathing. Talk to yourself. I know it seems weird, but it really does help. Tell yourself, I got this. I can do this. I'm strong, right? Good. Quick 10-second break. Okay. Next up, we're gonna go into 4 little twists and 4 high knees, okay? If you mess up and somehow your timing's off, don't worry about it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. Good. 1, 3, 4, up. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Twist, twist, twist. Whew. All right, good. Take a breath. Did you see how I had to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4? It's a dancer thing, but we got this. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Got it? And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Good. Whew. And 1. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! Breathe. That one's fun, right?
Told you that was gonna be fun, and it goes by so quickly. So if you want that full length workout, that can be found exclusively inside of my fitness membership and community, Total Body Transformation. Now, if you are a woman over 40 and you are someone that really wants to balance and focus on your hormones and make sure that you feel your best at any age and any stage, then you want to join me for my masterclass, Fit and Fab Over 40. It really is the place to be for women like us that want to feel fit, want to feel strong, want to feel energetic, and never use age as an excuse ever again. So I will see you over there. And if you want to keep hanging with me here on YouTube, make sure to check out this video next, and I'll see you there.